The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cameron County, Pennsylvania, Eastern Elk County, Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms. These severe storms extended from Siderville to Benezet, moving east at 35 miles per hour. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations included in the warning: Cameron, Elk River, Emporium, X-Run, Stevenson Dam, and Truman. This will impact State Road 120. Severe thunderstorms create winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the National Weather Service and State College Cruise Twitter or Facebook. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Wednesday morning.
Quiet.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Cameron and Elk.
Might be another one.
The National